How to verify your Bumble profile. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel Help Deck. In this video I'll show you how you can verify your Bumble profile, so make sure to watch the video till the end. In order to verify our Bumble profile, it's very simple. All you need to do is just simply go ahead and then open up the Bumble application, and you'll find this little profile icon. You want to make sure to come to your profile page, and here you'll find the option called complete my profile, or maybe even just edit my profile. So you just want to tap on the edit profile or the complete my profile button. Now under it you'll find the option called verify my profile over here. All you need to do is just tap on the verify my profile button, and as you tap on the verify my profile button, it says copy this pose and take a photo. We'll verify you by comparing it to other photos already on your Bumble profile. So you want to make sure that to just copy this profile. Now keep in mind that this could be random in your case. Bumble could give you one out of many selected ones, so you have to just copy that specific pose. So we'll just choose the option called take my photo, and then I'll come back after actually taking a photo of myself. Now once you've taken the photo, just like as I have right over here, you want to make sure that both of these photos match, and then just hit the submit button. After that it may ask you for other verification. Now after that it is going to actually process this verification, and then it says that we've got your photo and then we'll get back to you soon. Then they're going to verify that whether or not you are a real profile, and then they'll get back to you with the verification. Now after verification you'll most likely see the check button right next to your profile name, and that's all it takes to verify your Bumble profile. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. And if you have got any more questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching, and see you soon in our next video.